Are you thinking about selling your house? Well, before you do, make sure that you avoid these 5 costly mistakes that could hurt your chances of a successful real estate transaction. Mistake number 1, neglecting curb appeal. Mistake number 2, incorrect pricing. Mistake number 3 is ignoring repairs. Mistake number 4, inadequate staging. Mistake number 5, not calling Bob and Richelle Ward Realtors earlier. Over the next 5 weeks, I will be going into further detail on each of these costly mistakes. So please subscribe to our channel so that you do not miss this important information. It could save you thousands of dollars. This has been Richelle Ward with your Monday Market Minute, and I look forward to seeing you again next week.